Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dusty Trip on Roblox Mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox app downloaded from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and use the search bar at the top to find Dusty Trip. Look for the official game by the original creators to ensure you're playing the correct version. Tap on the game icon to load it up and prepare for your desert adventure. Once you're in the game, mastering the controls is key. You'll use a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for movement, allowing you to walk or run across the vast desert. To interact with objects, like picking up items or entering a vehicle, simply tap the corresponding button that appears on the right side of your screen. Your main goal is to survive the harsh environment by managing resources and avoiding dangers. Vehicle management is crucial for long-term survival in Dusty Trip. You'll need to find abandoned cars and repair them using various parts you scavenge. Keep a close eye on your fuel and water levels. These are vital resources. Always carry extra fuel cans and water bottles, as running out in the middle of nowhere can be deadly. Scavenge diligently for engine parts, tires, and other essential supplies to keep your vehicle running smoothly. To truly thrive, always be aware of your surroundings. Avoid dangerous dust storms and hostile creatures that roam the desert. Playing with one or two friends can significantly increase your chances of survival, as you can share resources and cover more ground. Strategically plan your routes, always keeping an eye out for safe havens and valuable loot. With careful planning and teamwork, you can conquer the dusty wastes and enjoy your mobile adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.